pure biological perspective. If you had twin brothers, is it possible that two of them are identical and the other two are identical as well, but they're not?